So I'm over here trying to change my lower control arms, and as always happens with these cars, the caster adjustment, the adjuster is stuck to the bushing right here, and it just keeps on spinning and spinning and spinning. So I already tried heating it up. It's not coming out at all. I'm gonna have to cut it with electrical or a battery so right here, and then on the bottom too, so I can just take it off. I already ordered the adjusters from Honda. They're probably gonna be here tomorrow, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it on top and bottom, get it off, so I can just replace the whole control arm. I got the new ball joints too, the new links, because the links are stuck too. So I'm just gonna change that, and after that I gotta, whoever installed this K-Tune camber, this is the driver's side, they installed it backwards. This is supposed to be on the right side, and the left side, it's on the passenger side, so I gotta switch it over to this one right here. And they did this piece of shit with the zip ties on the ABS sensor. I don't know who did this. The previous owner did it. You know, I guess he was in a rush just to get it going. So I'm gonna be having some fun with this right now. And yeah, I'm gonna start doing it. Snap one over here, put it in work. I've already got the tap one loose. Now it's loose. I'm just gonna do a cut right here in the middle. Just a little more down in the middle so I can get the bottom out, and then the whole control arm hopefully will come out. So I'll see you guys in a few. So it's out. It took me about, I would say, maybe 30 minutes. I was using the grinder first, and then with the salsa. It was a lot of work, but I mean, I think that's the easiest way to get it out. I tried heating it up and everything, and it wouldn't loose. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the new adjuster that I ordered from the dealership, and the ball joint that I have, I think it's coming in tomorrow. And that's about it. Put it back together. But yeah, this guy over here, man, saved my life today.